See, actually, when I was age 17, I started making a website and I was doing lots of financing thing, and I was just saying this type of things to her. Just noticed that I didn't even finish it. So after seeing it, I thought I should finish it, and here's the final result. So this is the final result. Yeah, I have actually added links. Not that type of bad, not that type of good too. Actually, I did watch a YouTube video, and after watching it, I was like, I need to make this too. And actually, I did make it. It's kind of fun. I'm liking it actually. Yeah. Please, there. That's when I was age 17, and now I am 20.